Hello tech lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which brings noticeable improvements to photography, especially for those who enjoy capturing photos in different settings. Apple's consistency in delivering high quality cameras continues with this release, making it an excellent choice for anyone interested in taking great pictures. On the standout features of the new iPhone is its stability to shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second. This feature allows for stunning slow motion videos or crystal clear regular speed footage, perfect for capturing moments with precision. Though I don't shoot a lot of videos myself, this new capability gives me a confidence that I can shoot professional looking videos directly from my phone. Additionally, the upgraded audio recordings options are impressive. Whether you are filming street performances or casual conversations, the microphone isolation works incredibly well, delivering crisp and clear sound. It's something you truly need to experience to understand how much of an impact it can make on your video quality. As for photos, the changes in the iPhone 16 Pro Max are significant, especially with the ultra-wide camera with its 48 megapixel resolutions, photos and sharper, more details and vibrant. This improvement is particularly noticeable when capturing nature, pets or food. The macro mode, which is part of the ultra-wide camera, also benefits from the new resolution, producing high-quality detailed close-up shots, even though micro photos are still captured at 12 megapixels. The enhanced pixels beginning helps gather more light, resulting in sharper and more colorful images than before. In daily use, the 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera performs wonderfully. It handles both micro shots and regular photos with great ease, giving user flexibility without sacrificing quality. Whether you are capturing a sweeping landscape or a close-up of a flower, the camera produces excellent results. Overall, with the iPhone 16 Pro Max may seem like an incremental upgrade at first, the improvement in its camera, especially for ultra-wide and macro photography, are significant. For anyone who enjoys taking photos with their phone, this model will not disappoint. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for new updates.